Let me introduce you yoga first. Human is psychophysiological entity. Whatever we do with our body, it also reflects on our mind, body and soul. Some of our problems are rooted in our body, which affect the mind. Similarly, some problems are rooted in our mind and its symptoms appears on our body. A holistic solution or healing is not possible without understanding the root cause, identifying it correctly, and taking corrective steps. The age-old technique of yoga is a well-established method of human revolution in this direction. Let us deep dive into and understand yoga. Sankhya is one of the 6 theist schools of Indian philosophy. It explains yoga as Purush Prakrityo Viyoge Api Yogam Ityam Adhiyate. Yoga is a tool to establish consciousness in its original and purified form by identifying separately from matter, that is Prakriti. Before decoding it, let us understand Sankhya. Sankhya doesn't believe in existence of God and explains that life occurs because 2 distinct entities, that is Purush, consciousness, and Prakriti, matter, gets merged together. This fusion leads to emergence of intellect and ego, and thus the thoughts are the part of matter, that is Prakriti. During the state of imbalance, one or more constituents overwhelm the other, creating a form of bondage, particularly the mind. The end of this imbalance and bondage is called liberation or kaivalya, and thus it forms the theoretical foundation of yoga. Patanjali explains yoga in his book Yoga Sutra as Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is the nirodha of the vritti of chitta. It means that yoga is the process of ending of the fluctuations of mind. He has explained it. Ashtanga Yoga verifies precisely and scientifically in his book Yoga Sutra. Vishnu Purana says, Yoga Sanjog Ityukta Jivatma Pramatmane. It means yoga is a state where individual soul combines with Supreme. Vishnu Purana, an important Panchatantra text in the Vishnuism literature. Lord Krishna explains to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita as Buddhi Yukto Jahatiha Ube Sukrit Tuskrite Tasmat Udyogai Yujasva Yoga Karmasu Kausalam. A man with equanimity renounces both act of virtue and sin. That is why you become full of yoga. Efficiency in deeds is yoga. Buddhism says Kusal Chittogata Yoga. Yoga is the concentration of skilled mind. Swami Vivekananda says yoga blocks the intellect, that is chitta, from taking different forms, that is vritti.